Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily make QuickBooks Online font bigger. So right now we're currently on QuickBooks, and while there's no specific option that we can change our font on QuickBooks itself, we can still do so, and all you have to do is click on the three dot icon that can be found at the top right corner of your screen. Then next is just head over and click on Settings. Next, in the left panel, just click on Appearance. Next is just scroll down and you can see here font size settings, and all you have to do is click on the drop down menu and change it to your preferred size. You can change it to large and very large. Say for example, we're going to choose very large. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!